Hello kids, today we are going to learn a new letter B. Are you ready? So this is our capital B. This is capital B. This is small b. This is small b. And the sound of letter B is B, B, B. B for bat. B for bad. B for bag. And B for book. B for book. B for bug. B for boots. B for boots. And B for bird. B for bird. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. B for ball. B for ball. So, let's revise and say them together. B for ball. B for bird. B for butterfly. B for bed. B for bat. B for boots. B for bag. B for book. Very good. See you in next video.